Hannah, can you explain to the girlies why it's such a big deal that the Commanders just won against the Lions?
This is all hypothetical because they're not going to jinx anything.
Not gonna jinx anything.
The Lions were the number 1 seed, which means that if they were to keep winning, they would have hosted the NFC Championship, and the Eagles are the 2nd seed, so we have that now in the bag if we win tomorrow.
Because Washington is lower seed than us.
Mm-hmm.
So that means that if things go in our way tomorrow, the Commanders come back to Philadelphia, meaning all 3 playoff games would have been in Philly for us. That's huge. Any last words?
Home field advantage, baby.
Go Birds.
Go Birds.